In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your passcode on Crypto.com. Managing your online security is crucial, especially when you're dealing with cryptocurrencies. If you found yourself locked out or simply wish to update your passcode for added security, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, you'll need to open the Crypto app on your device. Crypto.com is a versatile platform that allows you to securely buy, sell, and trade Bitcoin, Ethereum, and over 400 altcoins. Once you've opened the app, you're one step closer to resetting your passcode. Next, look to the upper left corner and you'll see three horizontal lines, often referred to as the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and click on that icon. This will open up a list of options and settings for your account. Now, you'll need to scroll to the bottom of this menu. It might take a moment to navigate, but at the end of the list, you'll find the settings option. Click on settings and you'll be taken to a new menu with more specific options regarding your account preferences. In this new menu, look for the security option and click on it. The security settings are vital for managing your account safety, so make sure that you're comfortable navigating these settings and that you're aware of any requirements it may entail. This could include verification steps or additional authentication methods, so keep your credentials ready if prompted. Once you're in the security settings, you'll notice the option to reset passcode. Clicking this will prompt you to enter any required information and confirm your intentions. This step is essential as it ensures that only you, the account holder, can make these critical changes. Follow any on-screen instructions to complete the passcode reset process. Remember, after resetting your passcode, choose a combination that's secure yet memorable for you. Avoid common sequences and consider using a mix of numbers that are meaningful to you but not easily guessed by others. Also, keep your new passcode confidential to maintain the security of your crypto assets. Resetting your passcode regularly or whenever you suspect unusual activity is an excellent practice to keep your account secure. By following these steps, you're taking an important measure to protect your investments and personal information. If you encounter any difficulties or need further assistance, Crypto.com provides customer support options on their website. Don't hesitate to reach out with questions or concerns. That's it. You've successfully reset your passcode on Crypto.com. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides on managing your digital life securely. Keep investing wisely and stay safe online.